Yeah, see, what's up, Sheena? What's up, Sheena? Today a birthday, you feel lucky on that day? I know how to play, cool type of vibe, situated all day. I know it don't stop on your birthday. What I say, Sheena? What I say, Sheena? It don't stop on your birthday. It's your day, it's your day. Your day is your birthday. I play, you know it all good. We keep it all safe. And that's how it really play. It's all gravy in the plate, gravy in the plate. We eat out the plate, we eat out the plate. It was your birthday, special type of cake. It all played good, game so safe. It's your birthday, you can play that play. How you want it, play it all day. All day, once on that day. Once on that day is your birthday. Play it all type of way. You know how that play, you know how that play. Your birthday coming in correct, come correct. How you wanna step to that? How you feel, relate to that. On your birthday, relate to that. You feel good, that's the fact. Feeling good, that's the fact. You know how to play the ball game. Today's your birthday. One day. Only on one day could be your birthday. Have fun on that day. Fun on that day. You know how I really play. Only you can tell that day. Only you can tell that day. Feel good on your birthday. Yeah, Sheena. You feel good on your birthday. I know how to play. I know how to play. Yeah, only one day on your birthday, the goodest day. Yes, you have to say, live that life. Only you could tell it on that day, What you say, I know how you feel. Good luck on that day, special day, yeah. The good vibe play. What up, Sheena? Today is your birthday. Only on that one day. That one day is a great day. Yeah. Top the vibe, I feel it hot play. How you want it? How you like it? We all say on our birthday. That's the day. You feel good. You feel nice. Yeah. Special day. I understand how it goes all day. How you like it, feel good on that day. Relate to the game. Your birthday, I know how you feel today. You feel good, special on that day. Your birthday, how it goes down, so you like it always.